Yo, I'm at this shop and I got a client about to get that work. Your girl Ching-A-Ling in this thing. Hey, she about to get 234s put in. I had to pre-wash these ones because they felt a little funny. 234s, 24-inch frontal, a 28 and a 30-inch. She about to go crazy. Look at all that luxurious hair. So y'all, if y'all need some bundles and y'all watching this, make sure y'all go on the website dramahair.com. Y'all can get y'all some bundles and you can save if you put in code Team Ching, all caps, and you will save on your bundles. So you let your mama know, your sisters know. Go on there right now and get that discounted bundle, babe. And of course, y'all, I appreciate all of y'all support. So yeah, holla at your girl. Y'all, I'm up in this CVS grabbing some products. But yo, I've been slacking off the chain, I swear to God. Oh, what the hell I dropped? I'm thinking about hitting that 10-to-1 skating rink tonight, y'all, that skating session. So, I don't know. I'm probably gonna vlog in there if I do. I think I need another coffee. So I've been up, I only had 2 hours of sleep. All I had was 2 hours of sleep and I'm still going. It's 10 o'clock. I think I need some orange juice or something. Real talk. So I'm gonna grab this. Grab a little orange juice real quick. Tropicana. What? Nigga, what? Y'all want $3 for some Tropicana juice? So I'm not grabbing nothing. Tropicana today. I will be giving you a treat. Or no, I'm gonna go to the gas station. I'm about to grab this and then I'll have that chocolate. Yo, look at the little animals. Oh, somebody has some Hennessy. Oh no, some 1738. Look at the duckies. OMG. Hi, ducky. OMG, yo. So many of them over there. Out here on this water. Check it out. Check out the view. New crib. Why not? New crib off the water. What's good? It's like, no. Look at the ducky. It's so many of them. Check this out. Whole families over here. I ran out of space earlier, y'all, when I was trying to show y'all my ice cream. All bad. A DQ, so got a new car. Then loaded up with a couple of them. You know, it ain't shit. It ain't shit. But yeah. Yo, I just made it in. Yo, these freaking subs from Elias. Bruh, delicious, just like it say. Try to show y'all. I hope they made them the same. This old girl who made them last time. Well, we about to see. Look at this. Oh, nothing but pure glory. Thank you. Gosh. Well, yeah, I'm about to smash, so I'll be back to y'all in a minute. I got some banana peppers and some Italian sauce to go on here. Other than that, let's get it. Alright, y'all. So, I have finally start working out. And I finally got the car. I finally got the car or whatever. Our new little car or whatever. New to us. It ain't brand new, but it's new to us. And the kids have been asking me all freaking week, Mommy, when are we getting a new car? Mommy, when are we getting a new car? So they are about to see the car for the first time. I'm getting ready to pick them up from school, and they're not gonna know what car they're coming home to. Pretty much, they're not gonna know what car they're coming to, but they are going to be coming to the new car instead of the old car. So we are going to get their reaction on that and see what they think and stuff about it. Yeah, so it's lit. I mean, it's about to be real fun. It's about to be lit. I'm excited because, you know, they've been asking, literally asking about it often. So I want to see what they think. It's got more space in it, you know. So yeah, and I'll also be giving the car tour too. Like, you know, like I said, our car is not brand new off the lot, but we got us a nice whip. We done upgraded from what we had. You feel me? And that's all that matters. It's something that's more suitable for our family, for our family size, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna definitely be lit. Oh man, I shouldn't have took this way. Look at all these kids and students. I ain't trying to be late getting to them. So I'm about to go pick them up, y'all. We're gonna walk out to school like we always do, but this time we're gonna be coming to the new car, and we're gonna get their reaction and see what they think about it, see if they like it or whatever. So stay tuned. Bye. See you later. Y'all, so we about to go get the boys now. Can't wait. I'm about to pack up Andre and then we'll be to get the boys, right? I got something for you, Major.
What is it?
Are you excited? I'm sure you are excited. You're gonna be really excited when you see it. Ready to go get Kino? Let's go get Kino. All right, Kino.
What is it?
You ready to see?
Yeah.
All right. Y'all gonna be good today?
Yeah.
You gonna be good? How was school? How was school for you today?
Mom, I said sorry because I dropped a glove.
Okay. It's just a glove, baby.
This is my glove.
How was school?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to see this?
You do my cocoa.
You want us to stop so you can do it? All right. All right, y'all. Don't go back. Don't go up there. Look, where you going? Where you going? Nope, right here.
We going to this car?
Did you notice something?
Oh, what is this? Whoa. Whoa.
Put your seatbelt on. You got it? Y'all, look this way. This is our new car.
Oh.
Look, Major. I can't see you. You like it? Seatbelt on.
I'm gonna get my seatbelt.
There you go.
But I can't.
Go ahead.
I can't.
How do you like the new car?
Is the prize in we house? Huh? Is the prize in we house?
This was a surprise. You're not excited? You're not happy to get in a bigger car? How about you?
It's a truck. It's a truck.
How about you? Major's upset. How about you, Junior? Junior? Hey. Baby?
Mama.
Are you excited? Let me see a victory dance. Hey, 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 hey. Can I see your victory dance, please? Victory dance, let's go. Well, turns out the kids must have had a long day at school because, well, Major just upset because I took this peanut butter away from him. And he's upset because I took this peanut butter away from him that he was about to get all over the chair. Because his teacher gave him peanut butter or something that's like peanut butter, and she didn't give him anything to eat it with. So, yeah, that's what that's looking like. I'm about to go ahead and grab some new tires real quick because currently
Mama, I want to buy me
these tires are not right. They're not even
I want to go in a dollar store.
Of course you do, boo. Of course.
And
All these kids getting out of school right now, but
I want to buy me some car because I don't want no Legos.
Really?
Yeah, only I want some car. I want to pick me some car. Please.
So I'm about to go get these tires, y'all. That's what I'm about to do. See what happens. Grab my phone out the baby's car seat, please. My phone. Get it for me, Major. Please. Hand it to Mama. Thank you, baby. I was gonna also get y'all some Happy Meals. What's up?
Yay!
Are you happy, Major?
He don't want no Happy Meal or he not getting happy.
Are you happy? Are you happy, Major? E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
I'm going to the park.
Yeah.
Yay, party!
I got a headache, y'all. I'm hungry.
I want to go in the park. Bus go round and round.
Round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
The baby on the bus
Go wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town.
The bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels in the bus go up and down, up and down.
That was the windows, I think. The windows go up and down.
And the bus, and the people go up and down. The people go up.
You guys sound great. Like your singing skills is amazing.
Beep, 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 beep. The hand and the bus
Gotta go, y'all. Let me go. Okay, y'all. Me and my mom are about to do a seafood boil for you guys. It's about to be extra lit, of course. And yeah, it's about to be nice. I am putting together that car tour for y'all, and I'm pretty much getting the car cleaned out and all that good stuff, so I can wipe down good, so I can give y'all a car tour, you know, outside and inside. So yeah, right now I'm about to go get a pen because I need a pen. And we're gonna be doing a seafood boil with clams, mussels, scallops, shrimp. You know what? Where the heck my shrimp go? I gotta find the shrimp now. Shrimp, potatoes, and all that good stuff. So, oh yeah, let me call her and tell her to put them potatoes on the oven. I mean, on the stove. They gotta boil. But yeah, guys, it's about to be extra lit. And I just gotta wait real quick to go grab a pan, and I'll be back, and we gonna finish preparing this food for this seafood boil.